Hello guys, a new tutorial. I will show you how to install a paper theme on Ubuntu 18.04. Okay, first we will add the repository, and after that update and install paper icon theme and the cursor theme. So let's open terminal and copy the first command and press enter, continue. No need to update because it updates automatically. So let's take this command and let's clear and copy. And now it's time to install a paper icon theme. And now let's install a paper cursor theme. And the installation is finished. Now let's open a tweak to change the theme. Okay, let's change the theme. So paper, this is the cursor and the icon. So let's see together. So this is the icon paper, and the cursor paper. You can change paper mono dark. Let's see together. Paper mono dark paper. But I think this is better. So this is paper cursor, and this is icon paper. So this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.